Hello, and welcome to another episode in this C programming series. In today's episode, we will be learning about assignment operators in C programming. Let's get started. Basically, in C programming, assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. So for example, if we declare or write this line of code like so, what we have done in this short line of code is assign 4.3 to the variable x. Now, how did we do that? We did that by making use of the most commonly used assignment operator in C programming, and that is the equal to operator. The C programming language also provides a set of shorthand assignment operators that allow us to perform both the assignment and mathematical operation. They include Let us now look at a few examples with some of these operators to see how they work. Let us first of all look at the addition assignment operator. Let's declare a variable y. Then we are going to now call our printf function and ask it to perform this operation for us. So we are going to call our variable y and then plus equal to assignment operator and add a value and close our statement here. Now, what does this line of code mean? What we have done here is tell our program that we want y to be equal to y plus 4. So now, if we run the program, we should see the value of y plus 4 being 11. And that is what we have here. Now, let us take another example using the subtraction assignment operator. So let's initialize our variables int b, c. Then we come down and assign them values. So b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. Then we write our operation here, c minus or equal to b. Now we are going to call our printf function, and then with our format specifier, perform our operation and close the statement. So this is the short program we have written. So now let's look at the output. It is just like we did with the addition assignment operator. So here c is going to be equal to c minus b. So if we run it, and that is the output we have here. So this is the correct output, because if we perform this operation 3 minus 6, then we are going to get minus 3. So you see that initially c had a value positive 3, but after performing the operation like this, c minus or equal to b, we got the new value for c as minus 3. So if we inverse the roles here and do b minus or equal to c, then we call b here. The new value of b is, so new value of b is we are going to get a different response now. So the new value of b is 3. Now, let us look at this final example using the modulus assignment operator. So as usual, we are going to declare our variables int x, y. Then we call our printf function and ask for user input. And close this statement and now call the scanf function. Then request our value. So we give the memory location, and that is it. Then we are going to now repeat this step, but for the y value. So to be first, printf, enter value for y, and then y here. Now, what we are going to do is ask our program to perform the modulus assignment operation. So we call x modulus assignment y and close it. Then using our printf function, we display the output. So we're going to have this, and then we call x and close it here. So let me make it a bit clear. So we are going to say the remainder is. So this is what we are doing. So over here, in the same way like the other two examples, we are just saying that our operation to be performed is x equal to x modulo y. That is the operation we are asking our program to perform. X equal to x modulo y. So let us run it and see the output. So good, our program is working as expected. We are asked to enter our first value, enter a value for x. So I'm going to put 34 here and press enter. Now we've come to this line, enter a value for y. I'm going to enter, let's say 6, and press enter. It has performed the operation, that is this particular one, and then outputted our value using the printf function, and we have the remainder is 4. So when you divide 34 by 6, the remainder is going to be 4. And that is it, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.